welcome to Excel Highway. In today's video I want to share with you a Google Sheets file that I created that you can build a dynamic calendar. Basically it looks like this. You have your dates, you have the tasks or the events over here, and you have your list of events and dates over here. And what's nice, and when I say dynamic, is basically you can change the date of the start date, and everything will change as you do so. You can have as many tasks or events as you want, and it will all change. If you want to learn how to do it, stick around and I'll walk you through it step by step. And in case you need, you can also download the file by subscribing to my newsletter. I'll put the link below. Okay, so let's show you how it's done. Let's create a new sheet, and I will first of all have a column here called date, caps lock, sorry, and call this one task or event. And what I'll do, I'll just highlight this area, click on data validation, add rule. Instead of drop down is validate, and reject the input. And let's start it from row 2. Okay, that will allow me to double click on the cell and just select a date, which is very convenient. So for the examples, I'll just use numbers for now. And of course, you can format this as you see fit. And here will be the day of the first date. So I want to have the same functionality that I can double click. And I want to change the formatting, so click on Format Number, Custom Date and Time. So I want to have, for example, August. I don't want the year. And just the Tuesday like this. Remove that one so it looks like this. Or actually, I can do it like this. So that would be the first date. Then the rest of the week, I'm just going to use this D2 plus 1. And let's drag that for 7 days. 7 days, okay. Now I want the day of the week. So I'm going to use text, number, and just add these for as long as I want. So I have the full name of the day. Drag that so I have the day of the week. Now below I want to see the tasks. So just show you an example. So let's say I have 6 tasks. So I'm going to go ahead and click filter this range, and use the dollar sign so it's static. The condition, again, dollar signs equals the date. So I have now all of the events, but you can see that they have different rows. So that's not good because I may have 5 rows, 2 rows, or 1 row, and I want this to be dynamic so I can control the area where the tasks are. So what I want to do is I want to use text join. Text join, very cool function that will combine everything, the entire array, into one cells. So first of all, the delimiter, basically how do you want to separate the text? I'm going to use char 10. Char 10 will return a space. So this will essentially have a space between the text. Ignore empty true, so if it's blank, don't take that into account. And then the text himself, that is the filter. Now I have all 5 lines in one cell. Gonna change it to horizontal, change it so it's wrapped. And now if I drag this, it will also work for the other dates. Now you do see the NAs, which I don't like. So I'm just going to add the if error. with blanks, and I have now the complete row. Now if I change the date, or sorry, add the date, then you will see it over here, and you see immediately that the line, the width of the line, or height of line, sorry, changed. As I make it more, add more, you will see more tasks. And I can have as much as I can, as I want, no issues, not limited to anything. Now the next step is to add another line of dates, and again I want everything to be changed based on this. Let me also freeze the first line, so I'm going to highlight that, freeze up to row, you know what, let's do it freeze up to row 1 like this. You can also add a space. Some people like to see it this way. Let me just do it this way. Now the next step is to just select this one and +7 and copy these below. And now you can create this for, let's say, 4 or 5 weeks out. The last step is to change the formatting, so I can select this part, color it in blue with a white formatting. If you're not familiar, Paint format will copy the formatting to other cells. This one I will select the entire area, put a border on it, select this area, let's say put a light blue, and again I'm selecting the entire area and just formatting the row. And that's pretty much it. Now just to show you, oh, of course you can change this one so it fits that area, and that's it. Just fill in the tasks. If I take the tasks like I have over here, and they are just going to be filled out for as much as I need. Okay, you see that just more rows, the cell will change. Of course, you can just create one sheet for each month and change accordingly, or just change the dates as you continue. And you see everything changes once I do that. Great, so I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit that subscribe button not to miss the next one, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.